Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video I will explain to you the difference between a buck coil and a boost coil. What is the difference between a buck coil and a boost coil? Here on this motherboard you can find a buck coil here, a buck coil here, and a buck coil here. Here is a boost coil, here is the boost coil. Behind here, the backlight section, you also have a boost coil. So what is the difference between these two, a buck coil and a boost coil? Now, a buck coil is used in a buck converter, also known as a step-down converter. What's the job of the buck coil? It is to take a higher voltage and convert it into a lower voltage. For example, if a phone battery outputs 4.2 volt and the CPU needs 1.8 volt, the buck coil will convert this voltage, or will step down this voltage to the 4.2 volts from the battery to 1.8 volt. So it's going to step down the voltage to 1.8 volt from 4.2 volt. Now, the boost coil, which is this one, and the one you can find in the backlight section of the motherboard, the boost coil. The boost coil, it's also a converter. It is also known as the step-up converter. Its job is to take a lower voltage and increase it to a higher voltage. For example, the battery, the V-bar line produces 4.2 volt. Now, the backlight section of a motherboard, depending on the phone, some phone need 15 volt, 20 volt. The highest is 30 volt, so from 15 to 30 volt. So the backlight section needs 30 volt to power on the backlight of the display. So the use of that boost coil is to step up the voltage, to step up this 4.2 volt to 15 volt or 20 volt or 30 volt. So that's the role of a boost coil, which is this one you can see right here. And the role of the buck coil is to step down the voltage. So the simplest way to remember it is that buck coil, which is this, steps down voltage, and boost coil, which is this, steps up voltage. So when troubleshooting a motherboard, measure the voltage on the coil. If the output is lower than the battery voltage, that means you are dealing with a buck circuit, which is this. But if the output is higher than the battery voltage, that means you are dealing with a boost coil, which is this, or this behind the backlight section. So buck circuits are commonly found around the CPU, power manager IC, the RAM, like as you can see here. Now, boost circuits are commonly found in backlight circuits, camera, flash circuits, and display power lines. So understanding the difference between a buck coil and a boost coil will help you to read schematics faster and to diagnose power related faults more accurately. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and follow for more smartphone repair tips like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.